So I just finished filming a video about why stick welding is better for beginners than MIG welding. And I wanted to talk about one particular point, that AC current is not worse than DC current in terms of stick welding. I hear it all the time that DC current is better than AC current for stick welders. Well, why? The common explanation for this is that 6010 and 7018 can't be run on AC current. Well, you don't need those electrodes. You can use 6011, which is almost the same as 6010, and it runs on AC, and you can use 7018 AC, which runs on AC obviously. But what hardly anyone talks about is welds are better on AC in terms of stick welding. All electrodes that can run on alternating current, AC, run better on alternating current, because you don't get what's called arc blow, where the rod starts burning unevenly. So it'll make better welds. Yes, AC is a little bit harder to strike an arc, but it's not really a big deal. And the people will say, well, 6010 is a lot better than 6011. That's debatable. I would say it's not, but a lot of DC machines can't run 6010. It's a beast of a rod to run. You need a high-end stick machine, like this little inverter welder that I have won't run 6010. This more expensive MIG-TIG stick welder won't run 6010. It takes a lot of arc force to run 6010s. So most people end up running 6011 anyway, so what's the point? And for whatever reason, if you're welding on magnetized steel, AC is better. I wish I had some AC in here, that'd be nice. So, if you are starting welding, and if you can manage with a relatively heavy machine, don't go out and buy a MIG machine, and don't buy one of those little inverter welders unless you're going to be doing mobile welding. Pick up one of these Lincoln Tombstones. Just look on your local classifieds like Gumtree or Craigslist. They're 225 amps for like $150. That little inverter that I have, which is in its case, is 160 amps, and it cost me $350. Go with this one. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next video.